it's Sadie, and today I'm doing a video all about skincare, and I've been getting so many questions on what products I use and how often I do them, what's my skincare routine, how do I stay acne free, and if I have acne, how do I get rid of it? Literally so many questions just about skincare, which is kind of flattering because I feel like I've been struggling with my skin for a long time. Like I don't get a lot of breakouts or like a lot of acne or stuff like that, but I do have rosacea on the bottom of my cheeks, and I definitely do not have perfect skin. I am very, very passionate about natural and organic and non-toxic products, but I also don't want to spend like $60 on a face mask that's supposed to like completely make your skin all perfect when it literally won't. Natural ingredients can do wonders for your skin, and I want to prove that to you guys with this video and give you guys a bunch of recipes that are personalized for your skin. No matter what skin type you have, we don't discriminate on this channel. You can have combination, dry, normal, oily. I'm gonna give you options for all of them. I have so many different types of skincare products that you guys can make at home with stuff that you'll probably have, or you just buy once and then you can use for a long time. But let's get into the natural skincare product recipes. So the first one is one that we probably will all need to use, and that is a makeup remover slash cleanser. So you can take your makeup off with this, and it will also clean your face and like deep clean it and nourish it. So what you'll need for this is half a cup of distilled water, and you guys can get distilled water at the store. Using distilled water will make it last longer and make it fresh for longer, but if you use regular water, you could just do that, use it once and then like kind of throw it away. But if you get distilled water, you can keep it and it'll be nice and fresh for you to use again. Then a quarter cup of rose water, 1 teaspoon of liquid castile soap, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. This is going to take off mascara, foundation, anything that you have on your face is going to crumble off. This is going to soothe and cleanse as well as hydrate the skin because of the olive oil that's in it. And also olive oil is really good at removing waterproof mascara, and also any type of oil like coconut oil. It's also going to help your eyelashes grow. So there are so many benefits to using olive oil in this, and it's also going to feel really smooth on your skin like while you're rubbing it. And the rose water will cleanse, refresh, and hydrate your skin, so it won't make like sometimes after you clean your face you feel like really dry and crusty, and that is not what we want here. That is actually the opposite of what we want. Next, there's a Why can't I talk anymore? There's a personalized facial cleansing oil. If you have oily skin, do not click off right now, because there is a myth that if you have oily skin, that if you put more oil on your skin, it's just going to create buildup, but not if you use the right type of oil in the right way. So even if you have oily skin, trust me, you can still use oils on your skin, and that will have so many benefits for you. So if you have normal skin, mix 2 tablespoons of sunflower seed oil and 2 tablespoons of castor oil. And castor oil is something that a lot of people would probably have in their house, but sunflower seed oil is probably a little different. If you have normal skin, just stick to that. If you have oily skin, use jojoba oil, I'm gonna put it on the screen because I feel like really bad if I mispronounce it, but use 1 tablespoon of that and 2 tablespoons of castor oil again. And the jojoba oil will balance the pH levels in your skin and stop your skin from overproducing oil. If you have combination skin, so like some dry patches, some oily patches, then use 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil as well as 2 tablespoons of castor oil. And if you have dry skin like me, I think I have really dry skin which I want to really hydrate and keep nourished, use 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, which is super hydrating, and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. If you have oily skin, don't even worry about this type of oil on your face because it is non-comedogenic, which means this type of oil does not block your pores. It's actually going to flush out your pores and really deeply cleanse it. And using castor oil is an antiseptic, so it's just going to really cleanse your face and make sure that there's no bacteria in it, and you'll feel really refreshed after that. It's really helpful for deep cleansing. Then we have a toner, and toner is something that I looked past a lot, but it actually really does help balance the pH levels in your skin. It helps remove extra makeup. To really soothe your face, use 1 cup of rose water, 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, and 6 drops of lavender essential oil. And this is a very calming essential oil that's going to calm your skin down and soothe it. It's perfect for dry, sensitive skin, which is exactly what I have. So definitely try it out even if you don't have dry skin. There's also a moisturizing mask that is actually heavenly if you have dry skin. This is with 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey, and both of these are super moisturizing and nourishing and so great for your skin. Olive oil penetrates the skin, plumps it, and nourishes it all at the same time, while the honey is just very moisturizing. It's really super gentle, and if you have sensitive skin, this is perfect for you, and you can basically do this every day. You can do it once a week, just as many times as you want basically, because it's really non-harmful and non-harsh. If you are once again prone to acne and breakouts, use this anti-acne mask with 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which will basically open all of your pores and eliminate the extra layer of skin that is over top, which is most likely helping to clog your pores. So if you remove that layer of skin, then you are making your skin really soft and also not prone to breakouts. Also use 2 tablespoons of water and 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Lemon detoxifies and decongests, so once again cleaning out your pores and making sure your face is completely clean. This is a bit of a harsher face mask. More harsh? Is harsher a word? Let me know. Use this once a week. Try not to use it daily because it's pretty harsh and you don't want to remove too much of the top layer of the skin, but definitely try this once a week as like a replenishing and keeping yourself from breakouts. Next we have a zit eraser. There are so many people that have talked about using tea tree oil as an acne spot treatment, and I have used it and it's honestly worked for me. It's a really natural way to do it. So use 1 tablespoon of tea tree oil and 3 tablespoons of jojoba oil. I really hope I'm saying that right. Like if I'm not, that's so embarrassing. Tea tree oil is once again antibacterial, and the jojoba oil closely resembles the natural oils that your skin produces. Everyone produces oils on the skin, even if you have dry skin, but it basically resembles those oils, which will tell your face to stop producing oils. Then you won't have excessive oils and they won't clog your pores and you won't get breakouts. Also, this doesn't just make a zit go away, but it keeps zits from coming back because it's deeply cleansing the pores and making sure that they're not going to get clogged again. If you did have a lot of acne and you've gotten rid of it, yay, congrats first of all. Second of all, if you have acne scars, which I do have some acne scars and I'm going to try to get rid of them with this, use 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 tablespoon of honey. Both of these are antifungal and anti-inflammatory, so these are going to make your acne scars less puffy, less red and pigmented, less noticeable. If you guys are not getting a lot of sleep and you have dark puffy under eye circles, aloe vera gel is really good for that. If you have a jade roller, basically just like put the aloe vera gel, you can even put it in the fridge and make it super cold, and that's gonna depuff your eyes. And take the jade roller and like kind of rub under your eyes, but very, very gently, because that's probably the most sensitive part of your face, like the skin is. Roll that under your eyes. You can also do it like basically all over your face. It's gonna have a really nice cooling sensation. If you don't have a jade roller, just use your fingers and massage, and that's going to get rid of the dark circles and also depuff your eyes or anywhere else on your face. If you want a face scrub, and this is really great if you have dry skin or if you're just trying to make your face like smooth like a baby's butt, you know, we all want it. I have a really nice scrub that smells good and will probably also taste good. First, use 3 tablespoons of any type of granulated sugar that you have. You can use white sugar, brown sugar, I don't know the other types of sugars, but you can use that, just 3 tablespoons of that. If you have dry or normal skin, mix it with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and this is again going to hydrate it while you are exfoliating. But if you have oily skin, use 1 tablespoon of castor oil. This will remove all of the dead skin cells that are on top of your skin, and this is going to leave your face feeling so smooth and so soft. And the oil that you're putting on will also nourish the skin, so there are so many benefits to this last one. And that's gonna be it for this skincare recipe video, and let me know down below if you guys try it and which one is your favorite. I am actually going to do a pamper night tonight, so hopefully I can try these out and see which one is my favorite. I think tonight I might do the honey mask because I feel like I need some moisture in my face because my face is super dry when it comes in the winter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you, and happy skincare, you know, do a pamper night. I'm about to go back to school after like 2 weeks of break, so I'm gonna need this. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.